Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious litchi smoothie. First, ensure your litchis are peeled and pitted, whether fresh or frozen. Next, measure out 1/2 cup of your preferred milk, be it dairy or a plant-based option. Don't forget 1/4 cup of ice cubes to achieve that perfect frosty consistency. Finally, have 1 tablespoon of honey or another sweetener ready to adjust to your taste. Now, let's get blending. Carefully place all your litchis, milk, ice, and sweetener into a sturdy blender. Begin by pulsing on a low setting to break down the larger pieces. Gradually increase the speed to high, allowing the ingredients to fully combine. Continue blending until the smoothie reaches a perfectly smooth and creamy consistency. If it seems too thick, simply add 1 or 2 tablespoons of additional milk until it's just right. Once blended to perfection, pour your vibrant litchi smoothie into your favorite glass. For an elegant touch, garnish it with a fresh litchi or a sprig of mint. If you desire an even creamier texture, try adding 1/2 cup of plain yogurt before blending. Feel free to get creative with variations. A few strawberries or a banana can complement the litchi flavor beautifully. Enjoy your refreshing, homemade treat. Your delicious litchi smoothie is now ready to be enjoyed. For the freshest and most vibrant flavor, I recommend drinking it right away. If you happen to have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 24 hours. Remember, a good book can truly change how you think about money. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to that book and other great deals. Share your amazing smoothie creations with everyone you know.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.